see if I can get in some view. Okay. So we're at the top of a small mountain. Can't see anything on that side. I just stepped into a big pool of mud again. And here we are at the waterfall. It's should be Muang, I think, something like that.
The biggest of all of them on, I think there's 3 and this one's the biggest one.
Yeah. And so you can see a bit of forest. So apparently it's a really long trek. It's a really long trek up to the actual waterfall. So not sure how far we'll get. So we came here by scooter and it was just completely pouring by the end of the trip. So we're driving through these semi-rivers. There we go. Oh, that's not too bad. We're basically here. What are you laughing at? You think you look good with that? You think with, yeah, that yellow poncho. Yeah, okay, so I've got the GoPro.
No, because
Thanks! Okay, so Sam's cleaning off the mud. Maybe I can wear my shoes again. Wash my feet as well. We've got to take advantage of clean water while we can. Thanks. Thank
Okay.
you, my dear.
Now, I'm going to take a photo of Olga because there's something. Oh, the camera's in the bag. No, there's okay.
What's up?
Because where you've got that pig is fully down. It looks like you've got this forehead. Like you're angry
I've become
all the time.
deformed. Okay.
Like a
So.
Star Trek character. And it's the waterfall just down here.
There we go.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. Good water slide.
Water slide.
Yeah.
It's actually a water park too when it rains. During monsoon season it turns into a water park. You can just slide your way through.
So this is where the Jeeps, I mean this is where it's just one big money making thing because you can get a Jeep which they say takes you to the waterfall, but it's only taken us about 15-20 minutes to walk to where the Jeeps are, and they just drop you off at the bottom anyway, and then you still have to walk. If you want to go up to the top, you still have to walk all the way up, but they say that you shouldn't walk today because when it rains it's mudslides and it's very slippery, so yeah, it's a bit of a waste of money there.
Yeah. Maybe over here?
Your first week of oh.
There we go. Now that is one cool bridge. I just have to concentrate on not sliding into the torrent and I'll be fine. right into that pool. Oh my goodness. This is kind of fun. Let's say it's half fun, half freaky. Right, I can do this. What? Okay. Okay, thanks. These bamboo sticks are quite slidey, slippery. But, okay. I couldn't see anything. I'm just looking right ahead.
You want me to take it or?
Where? Nice. Yeah, pretty steep? Okay. Whoa, look at that go. Needless to say, there's been a lot of rain lately. Hey, do you want this for a while? You can go up if you want.
You want to go up?
I'm cool staying here. I'll wait for you.
Nah, it's alright. You said 45 minutes. That's right. One person, half an hour. Next person, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Can you grab that and take the container off?
What do you need?
The backpack.
Okay.
I think the rain stopped for now anyway.
Yep. Looks like it.
And these are our scooter helmets,
Yeah.
which work as an umbrella.
Also. Okay, so
Okay.
I'll stop it here, yeah?